This is a story about how Dana got her move back. Part 2. We return to our work from home friend who's now stressed out from the stacking mounting emails. And what's that? You know what it is. A timely stretch break reminder from her accountability partner. Dana's had enough. She thinks back to the last time she had a regular deep breathing and stretching routine and how it's correlated to her constant stress and wrist pain. Thankfully, Dana has a trusted fitness accountability group that will check up on her each week, follow up with her goals, giving her the tools that she needs to be able to sit at her desk with minimal pain. That's right, bringing the fitness to her in a way that helps her body relax and do the things that she needs to do, whether she's able to make it to the gym or not. Ah, yes, look at Dana getting carried away, going outdoors and smelling with fresh air. Thanks to Dana's adherence to fitness accountability, her wrist is feeling better, and now she's able to use that same wrist to report her success with her fitness accountability group. How awesome is that? I mean, Dana's new stretching has led to a habit of walking outdoors, and now she's inspired to do a 10K race in loving memory of her mom.